Hi there, this video today I want to go through Video Remix. This is a new cool feature in Windows 10. It's kind of hidden away so you might not have seen it. I'm here in the Photos app, so if you just go to a search for Photos, this is the app that comes up. This is a place obviously where all of your photos are stored, so anything that you want to do with your photos, they're all in here. You can go into any of these photos and you can do some cool remixing kind of things in here. So that's the first thing that's new. So if I just open a photo, so once I open the photo here, you can see I can delete it. I can rotate it around. That's really helpful if you've got one of those photos that's the wrong way around, so I can rotate that photo around. Over here, I can edit the photo, so I can do something like add filters, the same kind of things you might see in Instagram. I can crop the photos. That's really helpful sometimes if you just want to get one little part of the photo. So you can see the filters down here. There's an automatic enhance thing as well. So it'll automatically look at your photo and see if it can enhance it. So those kinds of things, and then you can save a copy of the photo. So you can either save, which overwrites your original photo, or you can save a copy, which just saves a new copy with this new enhanced version of the photo. So that's the first thing that you can do. Additionally, in the same menu, you can see that you've got draw here as well. So you can use your stylus to mark up the photo that you've got here. So you can make highlights and adjustments, and you've got some different kind of pens in here, and so you can just mark up the photo as you want. So let's say you could have a photo, you might want to write some text on there and save it. So this is a way that you can get your photos in here on Windows and be able to do a bit of adjustments on those photos. So the main thing that I wanted to show you in Photos here is this video remix capability. So if you head over to Create, you can do this in the automatic thing, but I want to show you the custom video with music. So hit that and you're going to get you see all of your photos. So now I can choose some photos that I want to remix into a video. So let's choose this one, and this one, and you can choose videos as well. So if I have a video here, I could choose that as well. So let's just stick with those three photos for now, and then I'm going to hit Create. Okay, so I'm in here now. I reckon it's a good idea to name the video. So I'll just call this test video. There we go. You can see, let's have a preview of what it looks like. Okay, so it's kind of put those three photos together. Now I might want the Minecraft photo first, so I can just click and drag it and drop it in the right place. I might want these to go for a different time, so I can say that this one here is going to go for 3 seconds. Okay, so you can actually specify the amount of time each one of these is going to go for. There's an automatic theme applied. Let's have a look. And it actually already syncs the music to the photos as well. So let's have a look at the themes here. So there's an adventure theme. We've got a chilled theme. So this shows you what the text is going to look like when it's coming in. A classic theme. Now the music you're hearing just comes with the theme already, but you can import your own music. Okay, use your own music, which is important here, right? So I'm going to choose that one. So you can see straight away we're thinking, gosh, that middle photo there only lasts for 0.5 of a second. That is not long enough. So I can go in here and change that and say, okay, it's going to be 2 seconds, or for however long you want it to. Now, in each one of these, as I select these different elements down here in the bottom, you can see I've got a number of options here. I can change the duration here. I can apply some filters, which is like the photo thing where I might want to change the style of the photo. I can also add some text. So if I hit this, the text, I can say, welcome to ASC, and I've got all these different text styles that I can apply. So they come with the theme, or you can choose your own style as well. Okay, you can choose a layout down here. So this is going to be a title. You might want it so that the text just appears at the top of the slide, on the left, on the right. So there's a number of different options you get here. So when you're finished, just click on done, and let's have a look at how we're looking now. Okay, so if I want to, I might want to include a video in here as well. So you can see I've added a video, so I might want to drop it in here right after my first slide. So you can see it's really easy to create like a timeline of photos. This video goes for 148, so let's see what happens here. And at the same time, let's change some music. So I can go up to the top. I can change the music volume that's going to be playing when I export the video here, or I can change the music itself. So each one will have a different theme going on, or you can choose your own music. So I've chosen a new music track. I can also change it from 4:3 to 16:9. It starts off as 16:9, which is good. And let's just have a look at what that looks like now. Let's just go back to the start. Unfortunately, what you can't do now is duck the music down so that you can hear this talking in the video and the theme music at the same time. Unfortunately, you don't get both of those, but if you have some images that you want to put over and you want the music in the background, this works really, really well and really easily. Okay, so I'm going to pause that now, and when I'm finished, I can export or share this, of course. And I get 3 options for the size of the file, so quick, medium, or small, medium, or large. In this case, I might choose small for this. It will then export and create an MP4 video. So this is something that you could upload anywhere you wanted to, upload to YouTube, for example, and there is your creation. And this is Video Remix, which is a part of Photos. Go and check it out.